If mosquitoes still ruin your evenings, it is not because you are doing nothing, it is because you are fighting them after they have already found you. That coil that fills your house with smoke hides you for 5 minutes, then your body heat makes you glow even brighter to them. Mosquitoes do not hunt with their eyes, they hunt the carbon dioxide you breathe out. They follow the heat from your skin and the faint scent of your sweat from more than 30 feet away. When you come home warm after a long day and sit still to rest, you become the clearest target in the room, which is why evenings are always the worst. You do not need a stronger chemical, you need to break how they track you. Tonight I will show you 3 simple ideas that work together, one that breathes louder than you do and pulls them into a bottle, one that turns a regular fan into a shield that erases your scent, and one that quietly catches the ones already hiding inside while you sleep. By morning, this bottle can have dozens of mosquitoes trapped inside, and you did not spray anything at all. That is what happens when you build something that breathes louder than you do. Mosquitoes will always follow breath before they follow skin, so you are building a decoy that exhales for you all night. Take an empty 2-liter plastic bottle and cut the top third off cleanly. Then flip that top upside down so it becomes a funnel resting inside the bottom half, a shape that guides them in easily but makes it hard to climb back out because the walls are slick and angled inward. In a separate cup, mix 1 cup of warm water, not hot, with 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves and looks like clear amber tea. If the water is too hot, you will kill the yeast and nothing will happen, so test it on the inside of your wrist. It should feel comfortably warm like tea you can sip right away. Pour that sweet water into the bottom half of the bottle, then sprinkle 1 level teaspoon of dry yeast right on top and do not stir it at all. Just let it sit undisturbed on the surface. Within 10 to 15 minutes, the yeast wakes up and starts feeding on the sugar, and as it feeds, it releases a steady, silent stream of pure carbon dioxide for 8 to 10 hours, the exact same gas you exhale with every breath you take. That gas rises through the narrow funnel and forms a thick, invisible cloud in the corner of your room that is actually stronger and more concentrated than your own breath. A female mosquito, the one that bites, always follows the strongest cloud, so she flies straight into the funnel, down into the sweet liquid below, gets her wings wet, and cannot find her way back out. Place this trap on the floor in the darkest, quietest corner, at least 6 feet away from where you normally sit or sleep, and set it 2 hours before sunset so it has time to start breathing before they become active. Never seal it completely shut with a cap. It needs to exhale continuously, and replace the mixture every 2 days so it stays fresh and potent. If your living room is large, you can set a second bottle near the window where they usually enter, and you will quickly notice fewer insects hovering around your ankles. If you have pets, place the bottle slightly behind furniture so curious paws cannot knock it over. The mixture is safe but sticky and can spill. You will know it is working when you see tiny bubbles rising slowly after an hour. That quiet fizz means carbon dioxide is flowing steadily. During very hot nights, the fermentation speeds up, so you can move the bottle a foot farther from you to keep the pull strong in the corner. But even when you pull most of them away like this, a few determined ones will still try to find you by smell and heat, which is why you need to make yourself disappear next. You can sit through a whole evening with the window open and feel no bites on your legs at all without putting anything sticky on your skin. That is what happens when you turn a regular fan you already own into a shield that erases your scent from the air. Mosquitoes are surprisingly weak and clumsy flyers. They move at barely 1 mile an hour in still air, so even a gentle breeze on the lowest setting makes it almost impossible for them to fly straight, hover steadily, and land to bite. More importantly, the moving air breaks apart the invisible, lingering cloud of carbon dioxide and body scent that naturally hangs around you when you sit still for a long time, so they lose your trail entirely and start flying in random circles, confused. To make this shield even more effective and pleasant, you will use whole cloves because whole cloves naturally contain eugenol, a warm aromatic oil that temporarily overloads a mosquito's smell receptors and makes it impossible for them to recognize you as a human at all. Warm 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil, just a little, not hot. You should be able to touch it comfortably, and add 10 whole cloves, then let them sit and steep for 10 minutes until the oil pulls the scent out and turns slightly golden and deeply fragrant. If you have clove essential oil at home, you can use 5 drops mixed into the plain oil instead of steeping whole cloves, which is faster and just as strong. Take a small piece of cotton cloth, a thin handkerchief, or a folded paper towel, dip it lightly in that infused oil so it is damp, not dripping, and tie it loosely to the back grill of your fan where it pulls air in, not the front where it blows out. When the fan runs, it gently pushes that faint, warm, spicy scent across the room and at the same time scrubs and dilutes your own smell from the air, creating a calm, protected pocket around where you sit and breathe. You can also dab a tiny amount of that same diluted oil on your ankles and wrists because those are pulse points where heat escapes and where most evening bites actually happen, but always mix it well with plain oil first. Never apply clove directly to skin without dilution because it can irritate and burn. Keep the fan on low and angled to sweep across your legs and feet because most bites in the evening happen below the knees when you are sitting still and warm after cooking. If you have children in the room, keep the oiled cloth tied securely so little hands cannot pull it off and touch the oil directly. You can store the leftover clove oil in a small covered jar and reuse the same cloth for 2 or 3 evenings before refreshing it so you do not have to make it fresh every time. On nights when you cook fish or strong food, run the fan a few minutes before you sit down because food smells can make you more noticeable to them and the fan clears that air first. But even when you are invisible like this, there is still that one mosquito already hiding inside your house, buzzing in your ear at 2 in the morning, and that is why you need something that catches while you sleep. You can wake up and find the one mosquito that was buzzing in your ear at 2 in the morning floating quietly in a bowl of water without ever getting up to chase it. That is what happens when you catch the ones already hiding inside without any noise or swatting. After feeding, mosquitoes become heavy, slow, and tired, and they retreat to dark, cool, undisturbed places like behind curtains, under the bed, along the base of the wall near the floor, behind a sofa, and in quiet corners where air does not move, waiting for night to return. They are strongly drawn to a dim, warm glow in complete darkness because it mimics the gentle heat and presence of a resting body, and that instinct is what you use against them. Take a wide, shallow white or light-colored bowl, because white reflects light much better in the dark, and fill it 3/4 full with warm water, not cold. Then add 3 or 4 drops of regular dish soap and swirl gently with your finger without creating foam or bubbles. You want the surface clear and glassy. Plain water has a tight, invisible surface film that mosquitoes can actually stand on and drink from, but dish soap breaks that tension completely, so anything that touches the surface loses its footing and sinks instantly and cannot lift off again to fly. Place that bowl flat on the floor near a wall where you have seen them resting before, perhaps near the bedroom door or beside the curtain where you get bitten most, and put a small night light, a candle-style LED, or a phone flashlight shining directly into the water, or simply set the bowl under a soft lamp you already use in the evening that throws a warm pool of light downward. Turn every other bright light in the room off so that bowl becomes the single, calm, inviting glow in the entire space. Mosquitoes hiding in corners will see that gentle reflection. They will think it is warmth. They will fly toward it, expecting to land, touch the soapy surface, and disappear for good without a buzz or a bite. In the morning, you simply carry the bowl outside, pour the water away into soil or a drain, rinse it clean, and it is ready again for the next night. This final step works best after you have already set the breathing bottle in the corner and the fan cleaning your air because you are pulling new ones away from you, hiding yourself from those that remain, and then quietly removing the last survivors. If you have pets or toddlers at home, place the bowl slightly under a low table or chair where they are less likely to step into it while still seeing the glow from across the room. Do not use heavily scented dish soap with strong perfume. Plain clear soap works best because it breaks the surface without adding confusing smells that compete with the light. If the room stays very dark, a faint warm white light works better than a bright blue-white light because warm light feels more like natural body warmth to them and draws them in more gently. There you have it, a quieter way to reclaim your evenings without constant swatting or harsh smoke filling the room. When you understand how they track you, you stop feeling powerless and start feeling quietly in control again. Let me know in the comments which idea you will try first tonight. Subscribe to Thoughtful Explains for more simple, practical ideas that make everyday life easier and smarter. Wishing you peaceful, bite-free evenings ahead.